Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view on this device. First of all, open an app, for example Play Store. Then click Home button and tap on the button with 3 lines. Over here tap on the icon of an app and select Open in split screen view. Now you need to click on the other app, for example YouTube, and as you can see I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!